Soothing a crying or fussy baby. Essential tips for new parents. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Daily Hurdles. Today, we're here to support all you new parents out there with some helpful suggestions on how to calm a crying or fussy baby. We understand that this can be a challenging experience, but fear not. We've got some tried and true techniques to help you soothe your little one. Let's jump right in. Check for basic needs. The first step is to check for your baby's basic needs. Is your baby hungry, in need of a diaper change, too hot or cold, or perhaps feeling unwell? Addressing these needs can sometimes instantly calm a crying baby. Swaddle your baby. Swaddling can work wonders in recreating the cozy feeling of the womb. Wrap your baby snugly in a soft blanket to provide comfort and help them feel secure. Gentle motion. Many babies find gentle motion soothing. Try rocking, swaying, or walking around with your baby in your arms. You can also use a baby swing or a rocking chair for some hands-free soothing. White noise such as the sound of a fan, vacuum cleaner, or a dedicated white noise machine, can help drown out background noise and create a calming environment for your baby. Offer a pacifier. Pacifiers can be a valuable tool in soothing a fussy baby. The sucking reflex can have a calming effect, providing comfort and reducing stress. Skin-to-skin contact can be incredibly comforting for both the baby and the parent. Hold your baby close to your chest to help regulate their temperature, heartbeat, and breathing. Try different holding positions. Experiment with various holding positions to find what your baby prefers. Some babies find comfort in being held vertically against your shoulder, while others may prefer being cradled in your arms. Burp your baby. If your baby is crying or fussy after a feeding, they may have swallowed air during the process. Gently pat or rub their back to help them burp and relieve any discomfort. Create a calming environment. Create a calm and soothing environment by dimming the lights, reducing noise, and keeping stimulation to a minimum. Stay calm and be patient. Remember, babies can sense your emotions. Sometimes, a peaceful setting is all your baby needs to settle down. If you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, take a deep breath and try to stay calm. Be patient, as it may take some time to figure out what soothes your baby best. There you have it. Are helpful suggestions for calming a crying or fussy baby. Each baby is unique, so don't be discouraged if a particular technique doesn't work right away. It's all about finding what works best for your little one. Trust your instincts, stay patient, and remember that you're doing an amazing job as a new parent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.